In today's video, I am updating my Project 5 pan. I started this at the beginning of the year and I picked 5 items and I'm trying to finish it. And it's rolling style, so I finished one thing last month or 2 months ago and I added something else in and I have a new empty this month, so that's pretty exciting. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe for more and let's get into it. So the one thing that I had previously finished in this project was the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Primer. I have that over there in my makeup empties that already happened earlier this year in the project. But my new empty is another face primer, and it is the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Pore Defense Primer. I really, really loved this. I thought it was a great primer. It's $7-ish at Walmart, and it's great. I love pore filling primers. They're definitely my favorite. This one is fantastic, and I really enjoyed using it. It says it's oil-free and silicone-free. Neither of those things I care too much about, but it's a really good primer and I enjoyed using it. So I'm glad that I have an empty. So this means that officially I've had 2 empties in this project, this one and the Smashbox primer. And so I am going to add in something else. I'll show that at the end of the video. This item, I don't think I have that much progress on. This is the Wet n Wild powder. Maybe I expanded the pan a little bit, a tiny bit. I've mostly been using my ColourPop and my Pat McGrath powders, so I haven't used this a whole lot, but I do want to finish it and, I'll need to focus on it again at some point. This is something that I'm getting really, really, really close to being done, and that is my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Foundation. Yeah. I do like this. It's not my favorite foundation in the world. The shade I have is a little too dark, and also the lasting power is just not there. So I'm ready for this one to be done. I've been mixing it in with other things though. And so here are update marks. This is, I think it was in another project pan last year. This is where I was at the beginning of this year. This is where I was at the last update. And now I didn't mark it yet, but I'm like all the way down to here. There's not much left. I'm at the point where I kind of have to like take out the pump and pour it out. And so this I really hope to finish soon because it would be awesome to have a foundation done. I would be absolutely thrilled about that. The only thing that bothers me about this is I've had this before and I don't drop it or anything, but the cap always cracks. I don't know, that's such a little thing, but somehow that like really bothers me when packaging breaks when I didn't do anything to damage it. I didn't drop it on the floor. I don't know, it just kind of bothers me. Yeah, it's fine, but this happened on my other one that I had too. So anyway, I really want to get that done. This, finally, I had to take the stopper out of my Natasha Denona concealer. I love this concealer, by the way. Sometimes I just use it as foundation and it's wonderful. So I had to take the stopper out and there's still a decent amount left though. The stopper was holding back quite a bit of product, but I'm definitely at the point where, yeah, there's a lot of space and air in here. So I'm hoping this could be done semi soon. I mean, there's still a good amount of product in here, but I love this concealer. This is the High Glam concealer. I have shade N4. I love this. I would totally repurchase. I just have other concealers and I'm on no buy, but this is really good stuff. It's fantastic, really. This item I also don't have a lot of progress on. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss with hyaluronic acid. Yeah, I've worn it some here and there, but I'm nowhere near needing to take the stopper out or anything. There's a bit of actually, yeah, when I do that, there's some air gap there, so not terrible. I really like this formula. I think it's really nice. And this color it's a very nice kind of like brownish shade. It has, good amount of glossiness. So this is actually, yeah, I think I have more progress on this than I thought. It just hasn't like settled because I had it mostly, laying down inside my vanity drawer. But I think this is a really good gloss. But I've had this one I think 2 years, something like that. So, I wouldn't mind finishing up a lip product. That would be pretty amazing. But yeah, I like it, working on it. So I decided I'm going to add something in, and I decided to add this in because I realized the other day that I hardly have anything left in it. So I was like, well, I should just put this in a project pan. This is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. Okay, so I ran out of memory filming this video, but I was pretty much done. Basically, I was saying I was putting in the e.l.f. CC cream and I'm excited to use it up. The shade is a bit lighter, so it works well mixed in with other foundations, and I really, really like it. It's something I bought last year and I'm surprised how quickly I've gone through it. But yeah, that's it for this project pan update. Sorry for the choppiness. It happens. But anyway, if you're new, I hope you'll subscribe for more and have a great day.